Hey, welcome. This is John Russo. How you doing? From Palm Beach Customs. We have a 68 convertible Camaro that we just did. Not going to call it a restoration. What we did was a cool paint job on a car that had 31,000 original miles. It was Garage Queen. Has a 327 in it with the automatic trans, and it's actually a 2-barrel car. We left it all original. We tuned it up and got it running good, and we put some 15-inch American racings on there with some Cooper radials. Look real cool. We went with 7s in the front and we went with 8s in the back. Gave it a little bit of beef in the back. These cars originally came with 14s, and they just don't look good. So we wanted to make it ride nice. We went with stainless steel 2.5-inch exhaust, thick wall piping with MagnaFlow stainless mufflers, and then we basically did a complete straightening with high-grade urethane primer. De-chromed it, blocked it all down. We went with a base coat, clear coat, and we put in new taillight bezels and all new emblems, new wheel well moldings and new side marker lights, door lock rubbers and all the gaskets, door weather stripping. We went with some quarter glass weather stripping and channel runs, along with the only thing actually left, the original bumpers on the car, OEM bumpers, and we opted for, it has a factory blue interior, and we put a new carpet down in there, and you can see there's the original literature, books and records on this car. Let's see here, all the owner's manual and receipts. So this is a low mileage car, 50 years old, 1968 Camaro. And we went with the original GM white. It looks pretty classy. Hey, make it a great day. This is John Russo from Palm Beach Customs, and we'll see you on the next video. Take care.